All right, we all set up, got everything done. Young Son is at Winter Jam. We got our pits complete almost. Well, nah, it's completed. We're going to be going on track. I'm ashy than a bitch. We're gonna be going on track at about 4 o'clock. So the cars are ready, cleaned the windows, tire pressures are set. We're gonna try to drive together, get a couple of tandems off, but I'm gonna drive behind Jalen regardless, just to give him a buffer. We're gonna have grip, have drift. Huh?
I mean, I've gripped on the game, but not in real life, so it'll be interesting. It ain't nothing crazy, but
This is gonna be fine. Obviously, first lap, warming up tires, and then second lap we'll hit it. I'll be on comms in your ear, so I'll just tell you when to go lit. But either way it goes, we're gonna have some fun. I've got a couple of cameras in there on you. We've got a couple of, well, I'm gonna use this one and another one. So we're gonna suit up and we're gonna hold a little driver's meeting over here shortly, and then we're gonna start Winter Jam weekend. Actually, this is kind of like the pre-day. We got most guys that are here setting up their cars and everything, but we're gonna get those guys ready and together so we can just get out on track and drive around, have some fun, about 30 minutes. A lot of history here at this track, and the coolest part about it is we gridding with my youngin'. So we getting the 2-in-1. Today is, like I said, it's opening day, setup day. We're gonna do just a little promo thing so that we can get media, blast it out over the weekend, you know, get people to come out and enjoy what we got going on here at the facility. This is media that they're gonna blast throughout the year. We're gonna have some fun, man. Listen to the car. The car is gonna tell you everything. If you feel any occurring vibrations getting more and more and more, we'll just pit out. We'll check the lugs, because remember, we've gone on and off with the wheels and tires a lot, so just pay attention to that. Other than that, you know track etiquette, and you know, like I said, this is turn 9, that's turn 10. Turn 10, if you're deciding to pit out, you know, hand up, but commit to that.
come back around in there.
You can go, but yeah, go in, do our thing, and then we can always come back out. But either way, I'm glued to you, so I'm gonna be trailing you, tailing you, following you, regardless, wherever you go, wherever we go. We're gonna be on communications, so that's gonna be a very simple thing. We're gonna act just like it's a Gran Turismo lobby. We're gonna talk. I'll tell you when not to, tell you look out for something. If somebody is on a heater behind us, I'll tell you, hey, heads up, you know, we got a driver passing, and that's that. Other than that, between grip and drift, this should be pretty fun, and we're gonna enjoy ourselves.
Yeah, see how well the vert handles gripping.
The vert handles great.
I know.
Gripping.
Yeah, I know. Just like that.
Yeah, that handles like a touring car gripping. But again, new tires. I don't know how the full ways are, so you're gonna experience that. So yeah, let the car talk to you, and let's have some fun.
Yes.
All right.